back to my channel. So today is New Makeup Monday, and of course I've got some new makeup greats for you guys today. So today we are trying out the Sephora. This one is Sephora Favorites Give Me Some New Lip. It's got some great items in it. $28. Seriously, cannot beat that for some great products. We are also trying out the Patrick Starrr's MAC Setting Powder. And last but not least, I am giving the new Benefit, the Pore Professional Primer. I'm going to give this one a try. So if you guys want to see more, continue watching. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you head on out. And as always, let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is New Makeup Monday. I've already got my hair pinned up, so let's get into this video. Alright, so today we are trying out the Pore Professional. This is the Benefit. It's new. Let me give you the specs on this bad boy. To use, smooth this lightweight primer all over your face with fingertips. Layer for added brightening. Use alone under makeup as a primer, or pat on top of makeup to touch up. Okay, that's kind of odd. I don't know if I'd use it on top of my makeup, but I will definitely use it as a primer. I did used to use the Pore Professional Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores. Oops. I did used to use this one here. I liked it. So we are going to give this one a whirl. I just bought the trial size because I am purchasing these items myself. No one is sending them to me. So I'm going to use a generous amount, and we will see how this works. Oh, it does have that like soft feeling of it, like the old formula, but this one does feel a little bit more creamy, I guess. More like it has lotion or something in it. Maybe it has some kind of cream. I don't know. Oh, it does feel good. It's nice and silky. We will find out if it minimizes my pores or not. Okay, so today for foundation, I am using the new NARS. I did a video last Monday on this foundation. I am seriously loving this. Need to shake it up, sorry. Okay, so foundation is on, eyebrows are done. If you guys can tell, that foundation, I haven't even put my concealer on yet. That foundation covers everything. It's seriously so good. Oh, and if I look super tired today, it's because I'm on day one of my caffeine detox. Let me just say I picked the wrong day to do this because my son, my 8-month-old, is also teething, and he has a horrible cold, so he's not sleeping well at night. And of course, I can't nap during the day, or I don't nap during the day. There's no way in the heck I could do that. But so I am just like exhausted. If you want to learn more about why I am doing a caffeine detox, feel free to leave your comments down below and I will get back to you. It's actually pretty interesting. I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer so that I can show you the next new product. I am using my Shape Tape. This is light medium. This one is a little bit dark for my skin complexion, so I like to mix it. I usually mix it with a lighter Shape Tape, but I have this Naked Skin Urban Decay. This one is in light warm. I have this just sitting around, and I really need to use it. This one's actually really close to the color I would use by itself, so I'm just going to use that down here to give it a little bit of extra coverage, and then I will do the rest in just a second. I am just going to do a light eye today because I don't really have much to do. Okay, so I'm trying out the Patrick Starrr's setting powder. This is from MAC. I got this one at Macy's. It comes as this really cute holographic like box. Super cute. And it is nice packaging. It's very simple. It's different than like the MAC packaging, but it's cute. And it has a nice little protector here. Just pull that back. Maybe. Ah! Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to use the tip of a sponge or my beauty blender whatever you want to call it. It's an actual sponge, but maybe not. Okay, I just poured a bunch in my hand. Obviously not on purpose. That's the only thing I don't really like about setting powders that are in containers like this, is that you don't have much control over them. I prefer just like kind of an open container. If that makes any sense. But we'll see if this does the job. Sure it will. I'm sure. It's really hard to get the product out of the little holes and onto your beauty blender. So you might be able to take the strainer out. I don't know. Yeah, you can. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm in a hurry and I don't want to make a mess everywhere. So we will see how that holds up. Okay, so finished there. I am going to throw on just some, it's Burt's Bees Pomegranate Moisturizing Lip Balm. Just throw this on real quick. Kind of moisturize my lips and kind of get some of the foundation off that's on there. So I can already tell you guys that I don't know if it's the setting powder. I don't know if it is the pore primer. However, let me zoom you in so you can see what's going on here. Okay, so I can tell you, I'm gonna zoom you in. I can tell you already that it's kind of, there's like little wrinkling, little lines that aren't normally there, that are there now. I don't know if it's the primer. I don't know if it's the setting powder. I will tell you, however, that I did use MAC setting powder not too long ago, and it did kind of the same thing. It kind of dries it out right here. Maybe I need more moisturizer. I'm not really sure. But it just feels, it does feel smooth and soft and matte and dry. But to have these wrinkles right here, that's not a good look. Not a good look for anyone. Okay, so the last little piece of our new Makeup Monday is the Sephora lip kit. This one is Give Me Some New Lip Kit Ensemble. Okay, so we've got 2 full-size items in this bad boy. Look how cute that is. Oh, it's so cute. So full sizes, we've got the the Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte. Let's swatch that real quick for you. Oh, that's nice. I can definitely see that being like a center color. And this one is the Huda Beauty Snobby. Very pretty. Very spring-like, I would say. In my opinion, I don't know. I'm more like nudes and mauves in the wintertime, fall, and then pinks and stuff in the summer and spring. And then this one is, what is this? This is Tres Satique. Hope I'm saying that right. This is Barbados Berry. It's a cute little lip thing here. What is this? Oh, it's a mini plumping. Oh, heck yes. A plumping lip balm. Oh. Oh. That's really nice. There's not much color with that. I don't feel like the plumping effect like the Buxom. The Buxom plumping, it's like you feel that like tingling and stuff. You definitely feel the plumping in that one. This one, not so much. Just kind of feels like a lip balm. And then the other full size is the Marc Jacobs. Oh, it's all dusty. Marc Jacobs. And this one is, oh, it's so pretty. What color we got here? Night Moves, 310 Night Moves. Oh, yes. That is gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, I wanted to buy this in a full size, not this particular color. This is the Fenty Beauty, gosh, so tiny, Candy Venom. I do like how it has the FB on the top here. Super cute, very pretty color. Okay, so here are the colors swatched on my hand. Very nice, right? So I guess I will do the Marc Jacobs. But like, I know I'm gonna like it. Yeah, let's do the Fenty because I don't know if I'm gonna, oops, kind of got the Marc Jacobs everywhere. Oopsie. I don't know if I'm gonna like this Fenty. It's very pow. Will it match my makeup today? I don't know. Let's find out. All right, you guys, I don't know. First impressions, I guess it is pretty, I don't know if it's flattering, but it's pretty. It is a very bright pink. I kind of overdrew it over here a little bit. That's a little bit better. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty. I don't know if it's 100% flattering. I still really want to try the purple and the like dark blue and that green color because, oh my gosh, it's so interesting. It's just different and new and kind of weird. I don't know. Wonder how it like looks on people with my skin tone. All right, so I've got to tend to my crying little sick baby. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I hope that this video was helpful in your beauty purchasing needs. And if you guys have any requests or anything you want to see me do, maybe some drugstore new makeup, I am actually going to be heading to the drugstore a little bit later, so I can pick up some different things. If you guys want to see something, just let me know, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Goodbye.